I am George Gustavo. I like myself. I want to be myself. I decided to join because last week I was encouraged by my classmates. I'm a martial artist, track and field varsity. I consider myself as a well-rounded student here in Ateneo High School because I'm a consistent honor student, Oscar awarding athlete.
Like I said before, I'm well-rounded. I'm a consistent honor student. I'm an athlete. I'm a martial artist. Organic. I can speak in different languages. I can rap. I can perform stunts. We're all on it. Is there anything you related to being a Christian? You didn't give any moral advice on the Christ.
Like me, I'm a martial artist, and Bruce Lee, I like his quotes, his words of wisdom in fighting.
So you're an organizer, so you give us a quote inspired by Christ.
Although Bruce Lee is a buff, strong guy, he doesn't use his athletic ability and all those martial arts moves in street fighting just to hurt people. They still respect their opponents and others as well.
Hindi tinatablan, isipin mo naman kahit sumikat man naman o may masasandalan. Sinasabi nila ako pinakamagaling, pinakamabilis, ang iba'y walang dating. Ibang klase kong sumulat para kang kinakausap. Kung meron bubuhatin, ako lang makakabuhat. At magbabago ang tingin sa mga makakang Pinoy pagmadilim may sumusulat na letrang nag-aapoy. Tatanggapin ko yan ang buong karangan ko ako sa kapag sa mga kababayan.
Thank you.
I've been rapping since I was grade 3. I memorized almost all Eminem songs, but I like Lockman.
Tell us the lesson of that whole rap. Because the verses, mangarap ka. Mangarap ka kung sa sutok na lang kayo pinaalas. Sa lahat ng mga pangarap mo, just give a little version. Okay, yes or no? Yes. I say yes. I'm going to say no.
Feel great. I've discovered more about myself that I can do it. I have nothing to lose, so I felt more confident about myself. I'll be back. I will improve on that. Yung mga atinista, hindi talaga nagmamodel. You have nothing to lose. Just be confident and be yourself. And kahit matanggap ka o hindi, at least you had fun. Like, basta nothing to lose, confidence, and be yourself. Be unique.